Really good. My favorite flavor, butterscotch. Really yummy. Really.
First time try to see Onyx yummy.
The ambience is very expensive, according to Taskia.